Hey, it's Similoli here, and in this video I want to tell you 3 reasons why I think you should get a YouTube channel. If you're on this channel because you're trying to make passive income, I'm gonna tell you a secret. And the secret is no secret. The secret is that it's no secret that you can make passive income by creating your own YouTube channel. And I'm going to show you how it's actually so easy. And the very first thing you have to do is find your niche. I'm going to give you a list of different areas, and I'm going to give you a website which you can pick up in the description box below. And this website will give you a list of different topics, different ideas that you can use to create your own unique channel. But if you can take what you think is not so unique and catalog it and put it on your channel, all you have to do is watch whether or not your life is unique or not. And let others be the judge about how everyday you think your life is. What have you got to lose aside from time? Time that you invest in cataloging your life and putting it out there, cataloging your hobbies, your skills, your passions, anything and everything really, you'll never know if you don't give it a try. Now, the second reason why you should create your own YouTube channel is so you can leave a legacy behind. You guys know, right? We're not staying on this earth forever. But wouldn't it be nice that all your journey, your highs, your lows, the good, the bad, and the ugly could all be cataloged on one channel? Not just for your children and your children's children, but how about their friends? And how about your subscribers? And how about your subscribers, and so on and so forth? You could be an influencer. You could influence people's destinies. You could help somebody in a way that you wouldn't even be able to imagine, just because you took the time to create a YouTube channel, which when you created it, you thought you were creating it for yourself, but in actual fact, you're creating your YouTube channel to help others. Think about that one. Now, do you realize that YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world? Why wouldn't you want to put yourself on that platform? Think about it for a moment. Being on YouTube could show you as being a leader, a creator, an influencer, someone who shows initiative, someone who has a certain skill set that has been showcased or is being showcased. It can show a prospective employer or a prospective business partner. It can show them who you are. It can show them your passions. You know how they ask you the question at interviews, so tell us a little bit about yourself. Well, they can see it for themselves right there on YouTube. Being on YouTube as a creator could possibly be one of the best decisions you could make for your life. Anybody can be a spectator and watch YouTube YouTube videos, but not everybody can be a creator. So of course this video won't be complete if we don't talk about money. So the third reason why you want to create your own YouTube channel is because you can make money from it. Now, you got to see YouTube as not only the second largest search engine in the whole wide world, but you also got to see it as a platform that you can use to promote yourself and to promote your business or to promote your businesses. Now, this platform is free. All you need to do is open your account, start thinking of your ideas, start thinking of what you are as a person and what you have to offer the world. Think about your skill sets, your strengths. Think about your job, your hobbies. Think about the part of the world where you live. Just making videos about the part of the world where you live could be of great interest to a certain niche group of people. I will confidently say you are leaving money on the table if you don't consider creating your own YouTube channel. If you're into music, if you play a musical instrument, if you're camera shy, you could have a channel whereby you simply upload your music. It doesn't have to be about you and what you like and what you don't like. Believe it or not, I am camera shy, but 5 years ago, I had to get over it. I had to get over me and all the things I didn't like. And I had to begin to get a more global mindset, a bigger mindset. And so all I can say is bear in mind that you can make money on YouTube. So just to recap what I've discussed in this video, and the title of this video is 3 reasons why you should have a YouTube channel. The very first reason is legacy. The second reason is because YouTube is the second largest search engine in the whole world. And the third reason, which is one of my favorite reasons, is that you can make money on YouTube. Now, talking about making money on YouTube, I really want to appreciate all of you who have helped me get this far on YouTube. I am not yet monetized on YouTube, but I am just this amount away from being monetized. You may want to know how you can be a part of helping me become monetized. Now, the same way as I make these videos to hopefully help you, the one way you can help me on my journey to monetization on YouTube is by sharing my video with friends and family, liking my videos, commenting below, subscribing to my channel. But what is also as important as subscribing to my channel is hitting that notification bell. This way you get my videos as soon as they're uploaded onto YouTube. I hope you found this video useful, and if you have, drop me a like, drop me a comment as well, subscribe to my channel, but most importantly, don't forget to hit that bell, and I will meet you in the next video.